Do not panic on AVAX. I think things are okay, guys. I think we are still in a healthy correction. You will be aware of this also if you've been following the channel and you watched our last update on AVAX, which was this one. Again, if you are new here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, select notifications, go back and watch previous videos. And if you enjoy the content, guys, especially if you're bullish on AVAX, make sure you smash up the like. Let's get the content out there to like-minded individuals like you. So, starting off on CoinMarketCap, AVAX, guys. $46.33 at time recording. Just looking at the 7 days here, we're down just under 3% on the 7 days. It's gone a bit sideways, but it's been a couple of weeks since the last update, and it was within that first week that we've seen that sharp correction that we were rather well prepared for. And rank 11, it was inside the top 10 when it was up above $60. Now it's rank 11, $17.5 billion market cap. Things are okay for AVAX, in my opinion. Volume down 20% on 24 hours. Do not look too much into that. But we also have to be aware when investing in AVAX, we do have one concern always, which is the circulating supply. Still only 52% showing. We do know there was a major token unlock at the start of last month, and more token unlocks are planned for the future. So we do have to be aware of this on AVAX. Now, if you want to win AVAX, of course, or any other altcoins or any Bitcoin, if you want the absolute best odds of chances of winning those cryptocurrencies, go to cryptcons.com. You can enter competition 8 and you can win up to £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency of your choice for just £5 a ticket, or competition 9 for £1 a ticket to win £1,000 worth. You can enter from anywhere worldwide. Again, the draw is done by an independent regulated third party. So good luck to the winner. You do have to answer a question correctly to get entered into the live draw, but definitely check out cryptcons.com. So I did take this trade on AVAX. I'm trading on Mexi. We've got an affiliate link. Links in the description below if you want to trade on Mexi. And of course, you can join our Discord and membership if you want to trade with us. All our trades are posted in our trading zone. Last video, we were looking for that $62 target, which got hit. It went a bit higher. We waited to see how it reacted. Got the entry just under $63. We were planned for this. It's played out beautifully at the moment. So this trade going quite nicely, but I don't think the correction is completely over yet. And this is why hopefully you're still watching and stick around for the charts coming up now. So let's get on to those charts. Guys, this is why I'm still bullish, and I do not think it's a disaster on AVAX at the minute, because first of all, we're on the daily chart here and we got the 5-wave move up. Again, if you've been watching the previous videos, you'll have been tracking this with us, and that looks like it's potentially done. I did say, I told you guys, $62 region-ish was going to be the key level to watch. Okay, we got a little bit higher, but I wasn't far off yet, because I was watching this potential huge descending channel on the AVAX from the previous all-time high to act as key resistance, and that actually played out beautifully. And also, again, we had these candles over here, these previous wicks as well. So they also were going to be the next major resistance. So, you know, it was a pretty simple one to track. Things played out nice. It's good when the chart does this. Now, what happens next is harder to predict. We are looking for a 3-wave move, potentially to be our macro wave 2, which would be good. And it's kind of hard to say if that's, you know, potentially complete now, around about $44. But personally, I just got that feeling it's got lower to go and to take out some liquidity further down in this $30 range. But it's all about what happens next, because if we get that explosive third wave, that will take us to new all-time highs on AVAX. Could be anywhere $400, $500, maybe even just $300, guys. Very hard to predict at this stage. And of course, there's no guarantees that that's going to happen. It's all about what happens next. But the structure looks good. We've got the setup. This is why we're not panicking on AVAX yet. So on the 4-hour, this is again is why I've just got that feeling we've got lower to go to take out some liquidity below, guys. I think the RSI can also come down a bit here as well. And again, we're on support here, but if we lose this 45.50, I think we are going to be gravitated towards these candles over here with these previous wicks, which are coming in quite nicely around about $40 and $35 also. But that said, if we get back above this area now, which is around about $54, if we get up here and find support, I do think that this low is going to be in around about $44, and we are going to be potentially on our way to new highs, or certainly new yearly highs on AVAX, but then potentially new all-time highs also. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give you financial advice. There's no guarantees in these markets. This is just my opinion, doing technical analysis and looking at the charts myself. Leave us a comment below if you've got target for AVAX. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Are you holding a bag of AVAX, and what are you doing? We always want to know what the community is doing next, so leave us a comment below. But if you are holding bags of AVAX, good luck. Let's hope we go to new all-time highs, of course. But that said, we do have to also be aware of the unfortunately bearish situation which still exists. So back on the charts here, we do still have this potential macro multi-year bear market which could be playing out. This could have just been a lower high B wave, and we still can be gravitated to bear market lower lows on AVAX. So it's all about what happens next. We do also have to be aware of some kind of head and shoulders potentially plays out. So if we kind of go sideways here and don't get back above this key area here of $65, we could get dragged down, guys. So we do have to be aware of that. That is one slight concern of mine, but not really feeling it at the moment. Still, the bullish structure is because we got 5 waves up, we are looking for a 3-wave correction and 5 more waves up again. If we get this impulse, guys, out of here and get above this descending channel, maybe find support, and then off we go, we can forget about this bearish scenario for now. Things will be great. So let's hope that plays out next. But that said, guys, if we do drop deeper here, $27, very important level. That's kind of the first indication that this could play out. But guys, I've got to be totally honest with you. If we lose this $19 region on AVAX, I have to be very clear that my personal opinion will switch very bearish on AVAX, and I do think that lower lows will be programmed if that happens. So we don't want to see us correct too deep down there. So really, for me, right now, no panic. Even if it's minus 40, minus 50% correction off the top $65, if we get into that lower $30 region, of course, that'll be great for our short trade. And that's not just why I'm saying this, but of course, that will be good news. And I'll definitely be taking profits on the trade if we get there. But I kind of think that that would be the healthy correction. Time to then get that wave 2 locked in, and let's hope for a new impulse. If you enjoyed the content, you haven't done so already, smash up the like. Thanks for watching. See you again.